So currently, this is the application. It's hosted online. So this is the URL where it's hosted. Took a lot of time to build a very interesting UI. Has all this beautiful interface to it. You can check out the documentation. It's well documented. So it's easy for you to install or interact with. Right. So very clean UI. And check out Playground, which is where you can, test out the smart contract. Maybe you want to deal with the buttons yourself. Click on all these things yourself, because we will not be clicking on any one of these buttons. We're going to be using LLM to handle all of that for us. You can know more about the features. You also know more about us. So pretty cool. Now, that is for the UI. Beautiful. Now you need to connect. Make sure that you have Phantom wallet there. I have MetaMask, Brave wallet, and Phantom. I'm going to connect with Phantom. I've already connected with this. So you can see here, I've already created one organization, which is called Tesla. Now, because this is online and a lot of people are visiting it, I've decided not to put my OpenAI key for others to consume my token. So if you're going to be testing this yourself online, that means you have to add your own OpenAI key here. And the good thing is that it is not going to be saved on any place. It's not saved on our backend or on your browser either. It's just going to be available for you to interact at the current arrangement. But once you close this browser or you just refresh, you will need to enter it again. So I'm just going to take a moment to grab my key. Okay, so now I do have my key, because with that key, I can interact with the system. You understand what it's saying here? I need to set my key first, and that's good. I have some organization. I could just ask a simple question like, how many orgs do I have on my account? Okay, isn't this beautiful? You can see that it has only one organization, which is okay. And you can even check it out here. This organization doesn't have any funding yet. So if I say, can we fund that with 2 Solana tokens? And let's see that. This should, you see the way it triggers my Phantom wallet, and then I have to enter my details. And this is 2 Solana token. You can clearly see how this is going, and then execute that. Once it is successful, it's just going to deposit, update this automatically for you. You see the way we're doing refresh any page, everything just works, and it gives you the transaction ID, which we can check out for ourselves in Solana Explorer. This is really cool. You see how the AI is the one working it out for us. I'm going to shift this to DevNet, and then make sure that I paste the transaction ID. And let's see what goes on happen there. You can see that it was 2 Solana token that was carried out here. This is what I have balanced in my account. So this is cool. All right. What else can we do? Let's create another organization. Let's say create a new org of Amazon. Let's see that. Then let's you can see that it just automatically created it for us, and this is the transaction signature. Basically, you can visit this, but I think you're going to have to, I didn't work on it to determine which chain I'm currently working on. As you can see, this is now the organization that has just been added, which is really cool. There's something I want to do I want to add some workers to this organization, because currently you can see there are no workers here, 0. So let's bring in some workers. I'm gonna do this momentarily. Okay. I'm gonna copy this dev too. Okay. I'm also gonna copy this other dev, this dev tree. And let me copy one more worker, this dev 4. I want to say, can you add these workers to the Tesla org, which is organization, and key them at, let's see, the amount that they are going to be taking 0.3 Solana token each as their payment. And let's click on send. Okay, so I'm going to confirm that. I'm going to confirm this again. I'm going to confirm this. So basically, it executed it for those 3 workers, at the goal. Okay, so this is the idea. You see that it added 3 workers here. You can see each one of the transactions that took place here, and all of those workers have been added in that particular group. So this is good. So now let's do the ultimate test to figure it out. So let's see the Tesla org workers, and then let's click execute. Let's see that in action. Now it's confirm. Fantastic, it succeeded. So let's check out this transaction. Of course, this transaction is going to be pointing to the mainnet, which is not correct. I'm going to toggle it to the devnet. You can see that in the devnet here, you can see what happened here. So you can see that these are the accounts that got paid. This got paid, this got paid, and this got paid. Each one of them got paid around 0.3 Solana token each. So they received their payment, and that was all executed by an AI. I didn't have to do anything. You can see the remaining balance in that particular treasury. I want to withdraw these 1 Solana token from this Tesla org. So I can say from Tesla withdraw 1 Solana token. Let's execute that, and you approve, and before you see how this just increased your Solana token here. So that's pretty cool. You can see that transaction was successful. You can see that this was debited as well. Very interesting concept altogether, which is cool. So all of these are happening, using an AI. All right. This is what it is. All right.